G'day, thanks for watching. Let's take a look at these three main markets, the Dow, the Nasdaq and the S&P, not necessarily in that order. We will start with the Dow. So this is where I think things are up to, anticipating a drop into the 40-day low. Bring in some data. Well, not a convincing drop, but still it has not broken all-time highs like it's had a tendency to do recently. Let's have a look at the S&P. I'm expecting that we'll see a very similar scenario. So let's bring in some data. Bit of a hesitation. So what's possible? Could this have been the 40-day low? Some of these lows have been coming in quite early, but that's not very far along from the 20-day. So I think it's unlikely. Yeah, not really enough days along. So we come out here, that's about 20 days along. So that could be it. A bit more of a drop down would be more convincing. We'll have to see what happens tomorrow. And the Nasdaq. So what my plan says is essentially stay with the uptrend. This is probably a bit far out, but let's see what it looks like. There's a 40-week high coming. So that'll be the next thing to concentrate on. Pushed into new all-time highs. Let's just zoom in on this, get a closer look. So again, the possibility of the 40-day back here, because it was a substantial drop. It's not very far along from the 20-day, but what if that 20 days in the wrong place? What if perhaps it was further back here and it's a bit hard to find an alternative? Could have been across the weekend. The cycles don't stop across weekends. And you can see that on the crypto that trades 24/7. That would be quite early. But it's broken all-time highs, so we can shift that up just a little bit. Let's see what this is hiding. Oh no, they're both about the same level. Again, this could be the 40-day. We'd need to see another down bar, and that would make it a bit more convincing. Okay, thanks for watching.